Forex trading can be exciting and potential profitable venture, but it requires a solid understanding of the market and the use of appropriate tools and resources. In this video, we will be exploring some top forex trading tools and resources that beginner traders can utilize to enhance their trading experience. We also dive into the key forex trading tools and resources tailored for novice traders aiming to elevate their trading journey. Without further ado, let's start. Number one here is MetaTrader, whether it's version 4 or 5. MetaTrader is a popular trading platform used by millions of forex traders worldwide. It offers an intuitive interface along with an extensive array of tools and functionalities, aiding newcomers in market analysis and trade execution. MetaTrader offers customizable charts, technical indicators, and the ability to use automated trading system known as expert advisor. The second one on the list is economic calendar. An economic calendar proves indispensable for forex traders. Yes, particularly those who base their trading decision on fundamental analysis. It provides a schedule of economic events and indicators that can impact the currency markets. Beginner traders can use an economic calendar to plan their trades and avoid potential market volatility caused by major economic release. The third one in our list is demo trading accounts. Demo trading accounts are an excellent tool for beginners to practice their trading without risking real money. Yes, this account simulates the real trading environment, allowing traders to test their strategies and familiarize themselves with the platform features. Most forex brokers offer demo accounts like SNS, and they are invaluable resources for newbies traders to gain practical experience. The fourth one here is forex charting software. Forex charting software is a crucial for technical analysis, which involves studying historical price data to identify trends and patterns that can help predict future price movements. There are various chart software options available, ranging from basic to advanced features. Some popular ones include TradeView, NetDiner. The fifth one here is forex education resources. As the saying goes, education is the key. For beginner traders to develop a solid foundation in forex trading, there are numerous educational resources available online, include articles, videos, webinars, and online courses. Websites like BabyPeas, Investopedia, and Forex.com offer comprehensive educational material suitable for traders of all levels. Before we move on to number 6, if you know that this video is adding value to you, subscribe to this channel because it will make this video to go viral and reach a beginner like you seeking for this knowledge I am giving out in this video. You know we rise by lifting others. Okay, the sixth one here is trading journals. Keeping a trading journal is a fantastic way of beginner traders to track their progress and learn from their mistakes. It helps traders analyze their trades, identify patterns, and develop strategy for improvements. A trading journal can be simple as spreadsheets or a more advanced journaling tools specifically designed for traders. The seventh one here is Forex Signal. Forex Signal are trade recommendation generated by experienced traders or automated system. They can be valuable resources for beginners who want to learn from professionals while still making profitable trade. However, it is important to choose a reputable signal provider and conduct thorough research before following any signal. The eighth one we are going to discuss is forex forums and communities. Engaging with other traders through forex forums and communities can be an excellent way for beginners to learn from experienced traders. This platform provides a space for traders to share ideas, ask questions, and discuss trading strategy. Some popular Forex forums include Forex Factories and Baby Peace forums. The ninth one we are going to discuss is news aggregators. Staying up to date with the latest news and market development is a vital for successful Forex trading. News aggregators such as Forex Factory and investing.com compiles news articles, analysis, market commentaries from various sources. Beginner trader can use this platform to stay informed about events that can impact the current market. The 10th tools we are going to discuss here, which is the last but not the least, is risk management tools. Risk management is a crucial aspect of Forex trading, and beginner traders must learn to protect their capital. Various risk management tools are available, such as stop loss orders, take profit orders, which allow traders to set predetermined levels at which their trades will be automatically closed. These tools help limit potential loss and protect profits. See guys, these Forex markets present vast opportunity for novice traders. Yet, achieving success necessitates access to appropriate tools and resources. The top Forex trading tools and resources mentioned in this video can help beginners to analyze the market, develop strategies, manage risk, and learn from experienced traders. By utilizing these tools and resources, beginner traders can enhance their trading experience and increase their chance of success in Forex markets. This is all for resources and tools for beginner Forex traders. If you still have questions, write it down in the comment section. I will answer it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Peace.